With rising temperatures, staying cool becomes essential, especially in homes and offices. Fans are a cost-effective and energy-efficient solution, perfect for summer relief. This guide reviews 5 top cooling fans under $50, considering factors like noise level, airflow speed, oscillation range, design, and additional features. Whether you need a quiet bedroom fan or a portable personal cooler, our evaluations will help you choose the best fan to beat the heat this summer.
Listen up. Drio Tower Fan for Bedroom. Upgraded DC 9 speeds ultra quiet floor fan. 90-degree oscillating fans for indoors with 28 feet second velocity. 12H timer. The Drio Tower fan stands out with its powerful 28 feet per second airflow, perfect for cooling medium to large rooms. Its upgraded DC motor offers 9 different speed settings, allowing precise airflow control tailored to your comfort. The 90-degree oscillation ensures wide coverage, while ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces. The 12-hour timer and sleek modern design add convenience and style. If you want a reliable, strong fan with whisper-quiet performance under $50, this model fits the bill perfectly. Listen up. Drio Tower Fan for Bedroom. 90-degree oscillating fans that blow cold air. 5 speeds, 4 modes with 26 feet per second velocity, 12H and 28 dB quiet timer, remote. This Drio Tower fan delivers a slightly gentler airflow at 26 feet per second, perfect for those preferring softer breezes. It offers 5 speeds and 4 modes, including natural, sleep, and turbo settings to match different cooling needs. The 90-degree oscillation provides broad air circulation, and at just 28 decibels, it operates almost silently. Bonus features include a 12-hour timer and a remote control for convenience. Its compact design and quiet performance make it a fantastic budget choice for bedrooms or offices. Wisdom Drio Fan for Bedroom. 120 degrees oscillating standing fans. Quiet floor fan with DC motor. 100 feet pedestal fans for room. 9 speeds, 4 modes, 20 dB, 120 degrees manual vertical. If you need a wide cooling range, this Drio standing fan oscillates a full 120 degrees horizontally with manual vertical tilt adjustments. The DC motor ensures ultra-quiet operation at only 20 decibels, making it nearly silent for nighttime use. Offering 9 speeds and 4 modes, it's versatile enough to suit various preferences and room sizes. Its sleek pedestal design fits well in any room, providing powerful, quiet airflow without breaking your budget. A great choice for those who prioritize quiet and broad cooling. Listener Portable Neck Fan. Personal fan with 4,000 mAh battery. Rechargeable neck fan with 3 speeds and 64 cool lights. Birthday gifts for men, women, mom, dad. This portable neck fan is perfect for on-the-go cooling. Lightweight and hands-free, it features a rechargeable 4,000 mAh battery offering hours of continuous use. With 3 adjustable speeds, you can customize your personal breeze effortlessly. The added 64 LED cool lights make it a fun and stylish accessory, especially great for outdoor activities or gifting. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, making it an excellent summer companion for men, women, or kids under $50. List Portable Neck Fan. Hands-free bladeless. 360 degrees cooling personal fan. Wearable quiet fan for outdoor indoor. Birthday gifts for men, women, mom, dad offering. A bladeless design, this wearable neck fan guarantees safety and quiet operation, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The 360-degree airflow design provides comprehensive cooling without direct wind blasts. Its hands-free convenience and rechargeable battery make it perfect for daily use, workouts, or travel. Lightweight and stylish, this fan is a practical and trendy summer gift option under $50 for anyone needing personal cooling on the move.